So how can you use the speech controller on an iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so part of the settings, when you go to the accessibility section, you can find the speaking section, right? So it is called read and speak, and there you have the speak screen or speak selection, right? But when you go to the speak screen, you also have the toggle to show the controller, right? So this is what it kind of looks like. It has the play button, the forward, backward, and more options. And right now, if I go and make the like screen show up, right, make sure that it just gets read out loud to me, I have the ability to press the pause button, play button, right? So I have more control over what's going on. So I can go back a little bit or forward, right? And if I don't use the controller, it will like be hidden away so it doesn't stand in the way too much, right? So you can see that we also have the more options button, which lets me minimize it or change the speaking rate, which is basically the speed, right? So as you can see, this gives you much more flexibility of using this feature. And also we have the touch icon, right, which lets you just select the area that you want to be that you need to be spoken to you, right? And that's also a good feature. So with the controller, it's much more convenient to use the speaking features. You can, of course, disable the controller, right? So let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for these quick tutorials and straight to the point guides so you will never miss anything important. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.